This is ANN News Brief.
Good morning, I'm Lucy Adeyemi. Global health officials say 2 cases of polio have been identified in Mozambique as a result of a mutated virus in the vaccine. The World Health Organization, WHO, and partners in a report this week said they had confirmed the 2 cases in a 6-year-old girl and one of her contacts, marking another setback for attempts to eradicate the crippling disease. Officials said test results found that they were infected by a virus derived from the oral polio vaccine that in rare cases mutate into a form capable of causing new outbreaks. Repeated deadlines set to wipe out polio have been missed. Officials are now facing numerous challenges in the remaining countries where the disease circulates. There were dozens of cases in Africa, including Nigeria, Democratic Republic of Congo, and Somalia last year. Ethiopian government said on Tuesday it had granted amnesty to at least 13,000 people as part of a broad reform agenda pushed by Prime Minister Abiy Ahmed. In July, members of parliament passed a law allowing people convicted of facing charges of treason, crime against the constitutional order, and armed struggle to apply for pardons. Ethiopia's Attorney General says more than 13,200 individuals have taken advantage of the law in the past 6 months. Meanwhile, the United Nations Humanitarian Coordinator in Ethiopia said earlier this week more aid was needed for 50,000 people displaced in the Benishangul-Gumuz and Oromia regions in the country as a result of ethnic violence that surged last year. Stay with us, we'll be back after the short break.
This used to be me. But that was before I got the perfect bag. It's handy and easy to use. All I need in one compact space, just like my MTN Extra Value plan. I used to get one plan for my calls and then try to remember which data plan worked for me. Roaming was a totally different ballgame. Not anymore. I've got the MTN Extra Value all-in-one plan. If you're a data buff like me, you get extra data with some talk time. And if you like to make calls, you get extra talk time with some data. And when I'm abroad, I automatically browse, chat, and call right on the same plan. MTN Extra Value was made just for me.
More of data or calls, whichever one you prefer. MTN Extra Value is made just for you.
Police in Uganda say 19 persons, mostly men, have been arrested in an overnight raid for performing female genital mutilation (FGM). FGM is illegal in the country, with perpetrators facing up to 10 years in prison. Activists that reported the case to the authorities said at least 10 women were about to be cut at a ceremony in Queen District in eastern Uganda. If the suspects are found guilty, they face up to 10 years behind bars. Police say prosecutions are not common because most FGM is done in secret and it is hard to find evidence. There are concerns that the number of women being circumcised in the Sebe region in the east of the country is on the rise. Many are believed to be married women who feel pressure from society to undergo FGM. Some feel they face social isolation and are excluded from some cultural activities. That's ANN News Brief. Thanks for watching. For details on these and other stories, visit our website, annafrica.net. Also join the conversation on Facebook, facebook.com/ANN Africa TV, Instagram and Twitter at ANN Africa TV. I am Lucy Adeyemi.